Hi, it's Peter here from Lead Onion. In this video, we're going to walk through the basics of intent search to identify intent qualified leads. An intent qualified lead is a key persona within a high intent account with all of their contact information. These are the leads that your sales team can call today that are already searching for what you sell. So let's dig into intent search and how to identify a list of intent qualified leads. You can access intent search by clicking the View IQLs button from your home screen or from the intent search area on the left-hand side. When you're here, you'll be brought to your master search. This is your core set of intent qualified leads and remains consistent and grows as more leads are found on a daily basis with Lead Onion. With intent search, you can then build sub-lists within your list of intent qualified leads. You can use the following criteria to create an intent search. Firstly, your intent criteria. This is broken out by a range of different filters that allow you to zero in on specific kinds of intent qualified leads you want to reach. Let's start with IQL type. IQL type describes the type of intent that's happening. Lead Onion identifies intent at the level of the account and at the level of the person. The difference being account level intent knows that a company is interested in your services, whereas person level intent knows an exact person is interested in your services. With IQL type, you can define what type of lead you want to go after, whether you want to focus in on the exact person or whether you want to target the relevant contacts within an account that's showing intent. Simply toggle the feature to the setting you want to use. With person, naturally, you're identifying the person that's searching and can reach out to them accordingly. But often, research isn't done by the decision maker, so it's best to look at combinations of these for the best output. Next, you can use quadrant phases. A quadrant phase describes the stage of the buyer journey each prospect is at. And with Lead Onion, these are marked from initial through to in-depth. Initial being early signals of intent, in-depth being consistent, high intent over a period of time. To target your hottest accounts, focus on in-depth. If you want to reach people before they go too far down the process with other vendors, focus on those earlier signals. Next, you have the option to select different sources and triggers. This allows you to state you want them to be showing intent from a specific source, such as your website, or you want them to be focusing on a specific trigger, like a given competitor. You can also pull things through like your watch lists here, and you can focus on the range that intent occurred. Once you've set up your intent criteria, you can then set up specific titles, look for names, and specify how many leads per company you want to see. Finally, you have your company level criteria, where you can select certain locations, industries, and more. Once you're happy with your search, hit the search button. This will then create for you a list of intent qualified leads that match the parameters you have here. From here, you can reveal contact information, or you can create a lead flow to automate delivery of those leads to where your sales team work. With intent search, you're removing all of the time your team are spending today searching for leads. You're stopping them jumping in and out of different platforms like LinkedIn, Apollo, and ZoomInfo, and instead you're creating automation that delivers the number of leads that they can handle per day, helping them focus on the highest intent prospects and pushing it directly to them so they need to spend zero time going out and finding them for themselves. This is a really effective way to drive efficiency in your sales team and both maximizing the time they can spend talking to potential customers, as well as raising the quality and intent of the customers that they are talking to. To build an intent search, dive into your trial account, and if you need some help exploring intent search as a feature, book a demo with our team.